Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here with Retro Crypto. It is February 3rd at 6:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the U.S., on the East Coast. Market dropped. A lot of guys are acting like out there in the crypto world, like the rug got pulled out, like it's the bear market's full blown. No, it just did a reasonable pullback. Nothing special, in my opinion. A lot of guys are this. They want to see the market crash right now, and it's really starting to get my nerves. I hope it's starting to annoy you guys because everybody wants to be the man who called the top. Get over it, guys. This is people's money, people's savings, people's lives. But anyway, with all that said, I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a love for cryptocurrency, all right? I am not a financial advisor. It's essential that you do your own research whenever making any financial decisions, all right? Now, with all that said, I'm at 564 subscribers. I want to thank each and every one of you who had the faith in me to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. I'm crawling to that 1,000, but I'm determined to get to that 1,000, and I ain't going to quit till I get there. If you have not subscribed yet, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button. And if in the bare minimum, the absolute bare minimum, show some love and hit that like button, guys. That like button's so easy. It's right there. You're looking at it right now. Just hit like. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right. Now let's take a quick look at the market right now. I want to give a shout out to anybody who brought Quant. And there's a coworker of mine who was asking me about Quant. I was like, oh yeah, that's an old player. They were around 2017. He was asked about Quant. I said, yeah, that's a good. Go for it. And Quant's up 22.5%. Congratulations to him. HEX is up 5%. And honestly, the vast majority of the market is down. Why? Because it's still not decoupled for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin made a pullback. It is what it is. You get used to it in the crypto world. But HEX is not coupled to Bitcoin. Not at all. And I love it. All right, let's take a peek over here. We're going to look at Bitcoin before we go into the analysis of HEX because it's not coupled, but it affects the overall crypto market. Sorry, guys, I got to get a sip of my Joe here. Joe, coffee, you know. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Bitcoin hit resistance right about 39,661 roughly, maybe just a hair lower than that. But roughly right about that point, it hit resistance. It does have a support at 36,742, which is cool. So, I mean, it could be much worse, guys. I'll take it. I mean, the next level of support would be right around 30,000. So, I'll take this. You know what I mean? Actually, this support line should be just a hair lower. I'm sorry, guys. I was wondering about that. Around 32. The support line should be around 32,751. I was wondering about that. Okay. So, but say $33,000 is the support for it. And if it does not hold the next level support for Bitcoin, it's going to be about the $30,000 range. It is what it is. A lot of guys predicted the fall low is 20. Some people say 10. I think that's a little excessive unless we're entering like a Great Depression, significant war, which the world is looking questionable these days. All right. Bitcoin actually, if you go by the moving average, is looking pretty healthy. You have the 20-day moving average. 20-day moving average knocked out the 50-day moving average. Bow! See that? It crossed over that green right there. And now it is hugged up against that 100-day moving average. And they're on the ropes. Let's see what happens. You know what I mean? It's like a boxing ring in there right now. But now the MACD has it and a bearish sentiment because there is a pullback right now. But it doesn't mean it still doesn't have enough juice in it to pass that 100-day moving average. I want to see this 20 days start moving past this 100, get up here, and then hopefully the 50-day will be able to follow it shortly thereafter. But only time will tell. Another sip of Joe. Let's see what we got here. All right, guys. If you don't know, Dwight of Retro Crypto is cheap. I've always been cheap. I'm sorry, guys. If I can get a knockoff or something, I'm going to buy the knockoff. I'm not rich yet. I don't like rich at heart. But I can't wait till I am, because when I do, I'll be obnoxious as hell. But but right now, what I've been wanting to get Market Cipher for about 2 years, 2.5 years. And I finally decided, I'm tired. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get the knockoff version for TradingView, and then if it is good, as good as it seems, I might actually go for it. So right, what you see in front of you is Market Cipher. And I have Bitcoin up right now. I haven't gotten to the HEX yet, but you can see right here the red diamond. I'm gonna look over because I'm still studying and learning how to do it. The red diamond here was showing weakness in the market, and then right here the X, the red X, is a bearish indicator, and then the red circle obviously is gone bearish. All right, now that's just what's going on with Bitcoin. So that, and right here was the bullish trend going on, but when that red diamond popped up, the trend weakened. So right now, it's on a definitely downward trend. Now I'm waiting for this to pop up. Now this pops up. This is the official big blue triangle. What it stands for is this trend reversal indicator. And last time it was a trend reversal was here, but this one actually gave the appearance that Bitcoin might start ticking upward. If this pops up again, it's going to tell me Bitcoin is actually going to start going down. Right here, you have this X here, which is for manipulation. That really I find interesting. I'm going to keep an eye on that. But down here, now let's make sure I show you all this correctly. This is B, and that's B. Okay. Yeah, I was playing around with this. But down here, it's showing it with bullish tendencies right now. So it's definitely bullish. I'm going to take this out, guys. There we go. It's showing this with bullish tendencies with this red dot right here. So it is what it is. But that's Bitcoin. All right. Now we're going to jump forward, guys. Now, this is why you're here, right? Hex. You damn Hexicans, man. That's all you care about. That's all I care about. All right. Now, I saw this last night and it had got me a little excited, but I was like, I'm going to chill. I'm going to wait till the morning, and then maybe I'll put it up here because I'm far from a market cipher professional. By the way, if you'd like for me to do like a little video breakdown on how to use this cheap free version of Market Cipher, leave it in my comments. Just say you're interested, and then I'll make a video. It's easy. And yeah, actually, leave comments for any videos you want to see. Anything you want to see, talk about. Let's get some communication going on, guys. My Twitter account. Nobody's joining it. Hit that link down below. Join my Twitter. Got a Telegram account. There's 2 subscribers in it. Sad. I think I'm both of the subscribers. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Let's get this. And oh yeah, by the way, Facebook. My Facebook page. Make sure you join the Facebook page because I know you guys are on Facebook. I'm going to start pumping out a lot of information. Like, I don't have time to do video, but I do want to say something. I'm going to start using that Facebook page very heavily. All right? And that was at the suggestion of my wife, so I know it's a good idea. All right, now let's take a look here at HEX right now. HEX, this indicator right here is telling me that there is a change in trend right here, this blue diamond. I'm sorry, blue triangle, duh, like I'm in first grade. All right, now this green dot here is saying it's bullish, gone bullish. All right, and then we got that followed up with a little, it's supposed to be a yellow diamond, which is a continuation of the bullish sentiment. Now, if you look down here, you'll see that it's green right here. It's green, and it's looking quite healthy right now. Very good, actually. So what else can I show you guys? I was looking at this before I started the video. I went backtrack to see a point in time when you can compare when was there a red dot right after. So I found one, a triangle and a dot, and right here, and that's when it went up from roughly, we're gonna say it started here. Well, you can see, you're not blind. So here, I'll run it up the side here for like 22 cents, and then it spiked up to about 25 cents. So I do foresee some movement in today, actually. Now, how aggressive will the movement be? That I'm still learning, unfortunately, but there is movement. And here's something else I noticed with the cipher that I thought was pretty cool. You see these X's? Those all stand for market manipulation. I don't know the scientific wording behind it, or how to explain it, but when you tell me that a yellow X is market manipulation, tomfoolery is going on. Stand down, see what happens. All right. All right, let's move forward from the cipher. Now, these are the charts you guys are used to seeing. Oh, by the way, you like that shiny black? Leave a comment. Let me know you like that new shiny black look, and I love it. It was easy, too. It made me so mad. I never really liked that dusted look. But anyway, HEX is still short-term downtrend. Short-term downtrend is still in that wedge, just ticking along. but it's like rock solid in this wedge. There's only one crypto I've been following that's just rock solid with a trend, and that's Cardano. I'm just gonna throw it out there, and I'm gonna shut up. Now let's look up here at this uptrend right here. This uptrend. Always go back and look at this to make you love so many different crypto projects. We're so addicted to 20%, 100% days. Whereas traditionally with stocks, if you did 10%, you did awesome. 20% in a year, oh my God. So you gotta remember how much HEX has moved. I mean, right back here, what date was this? So on April 21st of, I'm sorry, on April 28th of 2021, HEX was worth 0.002 cents. That is freaking crazy. I don't even want to do the math. It makes me sick to the stomach. I'm going to tell you why it makes me sick to the stomach. Because the day I knew about HEX, it might have been over 3 years ago. I watched a video of Richard Hart. I seen his picture around. I was kind of curious. Had that weird background going on behind him. Then I was like, I'm going to use the word. I said, oh, he's an asshole. I ain't going to lie to you guys. And I blew him off. Big mistake, guys. I probably would be sitting here talking to you right now. But if I looked through arrogance and just accepted it for if somebody's smarter than you or better than you, it is what it is, guys. Yeah. But, oh well. That's life, right? At least I got on the train late at like a penny. All right, let's see right here. HEX. And I have to thank Trayvon James for that because Trayvon James is a hardcore Hexican. All right, let's see here. Now, according to Fibonacci retracement, as I always say, I will not consider HEX bullish until it crosses, I will not consider it bullish according to the Fibonacci chart until it crosses over the 26 cents marker right here. All right, it is entering bullish territory back here. But this here is the long-term bullish. That probably makes more sense. Okay. All right. Bollinger Bands. Let's look at these Bollinger Bands, man. It's on this riding on the top. I think HEX is going to do something today, guys. I have nothing to base it on. I'm willing to put my wife up as a bet. Anybody want to place bets? I got a nice middle-aged wife for a bet. No, I'm just picking on her. She's behind me listening to me. I love my wife. Let's see here. The fear and greed indicator right here is showing that HEX is in the greedy zone. And so that's a good thing. HEX is in the greedy. Let's look at the moving average of HEX real quick here. Ooh, okay. All right. So HEX 20-day moving average is about to cross the 20. Yes, I think something's going to happen today, guys. Or within the next few days. You see this right here? HEX is about to cross over the 50-day moving average, and 100 is not far away. I think HEX is about to do something. The MACD is showing that it is in bullish territory too, right here at the bottom, right here, if you can't see it. There, it's in bullish territory. RSI has it on. It's only over broad side of things, but it's not excessively over there. So it's kind of a healthy bearish territory, honestly. All right, here we go. All right, PulseX lead. 1,011,296,730 of cryptocurrency has been sacrificed towards the freedom of speech movement created by Richard Hart. I got it. I'm finally saying that right. Oh, man. Now, I will admit that the PulseX lead and the PulseX.com, they're off a little bit in numbers, but Richard Hart put this one out on his Twitter, so that's the one we're rocking with. But this one's not, I think we're going to pass $1 billion regardless. We have plenty of time to get there. Now, for this epoch, which I don't think, it's not really considered an epoch. That's a Cardano talk. But let's see here. Where is it at? All right, so you have to sacrifice $3.39 to get 10,000 points. I did the exact same thing back here for $1. So it's going to get more and more expensive, but it's still worth it. If you haven't done it yet, you might want to jump on it. But pretty soon it's going to enter into that territory. Maybe you're better to wait. But yeah, that's like huge. All right, guys. Now, before we wrap all this up, please stop and subscribe to my channel. I don't know why people don't do it. I don't do it. I didn't realize how important it was until I try to build something. I need you to subscribe to the channel so that my channel grows. And I need you to hit that like button. It helps more than you guys can imagine. YouTube actually bases everything off of it. Look at it like giving me a tip, a big tip. I deserve a little tip at least. All right. But with that said, guys, it's that time. Stay blessed, stay happy, and the most important thing of all, guys, stay a Hexican. All right. Peace out.